Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Eric. In this video, we got this 2023 Toyota Tacoma in our shop. We're gonna be doing full front end paint protection film installation. But for this video, I'm gonna be going over how to do paint protection film install on the headlight. It's a two-piece pattern, and I'm gonna show you guys how to install it, as well as how to properly line up the seam, because there will be a seam that goes right along the body line on the mirror. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Okay, so we've got the main piece of paint protection film on the headlight. We've got a bunch of slip solution underneath the film already. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start right over here at this inside corner. So I'm just getting my tack solution. I'm spraying my tack solution down. And now I'm just gonna line the PPF up where it needs to be. Right there. So headlights are a little bit tricky to install paint protection film on, because oftentimes they come with some kind of protective coating on there, which oftentimes can make the paint protection film hard to stretch or hard to get it tacked into place. So now that we've got this area down, we're gonna get the paint protection film lined up over here in this corner. So I'm just gonna pull the film back. Got some tack solution underneath it. Got that lined up. Now what I'm gonna do is just get more tack solution under the film over here on this edge, just to get this down. So tack solution that I'm using is just hot water. I have no alcohol mixed in it or nothing, just hot water. It's all you need. Now that we've got this edge down and we've got this corner down, now we need to stretch to this outside corner. And as you can see, we got big fingers over here and then across the top. And as I stretch, those fingers all disappear, just the way it was meant to be. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna use tack solution over here, same thing I did when we started this headlight. Now I'm gonna stretch this film into place. And just gonna hold that there, just like so. There we go, that's good. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna pull the film up over here. And just gonna get that film down into place where it's supposed to be. And I'm just gonna squeegee everything down. Now I'll come over here to the top and I'm gonna start squeegeeing everything else out. So this truck's got 18,000 kilometers on it already, and it's already seen some stone chips on the headlights. So that's why some of these pitting marks are showing up here. I'm not sure if they're showing up on camera or not. That's good. Now, one thing I'm gonna do here is just to make sure that everything is down, I'm just gonna take my fingernail, get my fingernail behind the film, and I'm gonna go right across to the top of the headlight. And I'm just getting my tack solution in there, and I'm just gonna squeegee that all down. So I know that that top edge is locked down. Now I'm just going over this one last time. This is just for insurance purposes, to make sure that we have no solution left behind. And it appears that we are good to go. Now before I start installing paint protection film on the top part of this headlight, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my heat gun and I'm going to post heat the film and get all these edges down, just so I know that before we start installing anything else, that the pieces that we've already done, they're already permanently locked in place. All right, so we got our heat gun right here. So I'm gonna have it on the middle setting. We're gonna start over here at this bottom corner. We do have one finger over here that's popping up. So all I'm doing is I'm just giving the film some heat, going back and forth. And what that's going to do is it's going to help seal off that edge, and then I have the microfiber towel wrapped around my finger, and that, as I press down that edge, it's going to push any solution out that's on that edge and help seal it off. So we're just going to go around this piece that I just installed. We have one finger over here. I'm just going to press that down. Now I'll heat up the rest of the film a little bit, and then we'll get to installing the top piece. All right. So we got this top piece of paint protection film on. What we're gonna do is we're gonna start getting it installed. So we're gonna start over here in this back corner. So just getting my tack solution into place. And all I'm trying to do here is I'm just trying to line up the seam. This is not gonna show up very well on video, as it's a clear headlight. But all I'm trying to do is get this top piece to butt right up against the bottom piece that I installed. There we go. Now we're gonna slowly pick up the film and we're gonna start moving along. Perfect. Now, lift the film up a little bit more. There we go. That's good. Now we'll start working our way out to the end over here. There we go. Got that edge. Oh, who am I kidding? I'm actually way too low. I need to pull that film up a lot higher. Actually, what we're going to do is we're not going to go right to the corner now. We'll do the corner last. Everything is lining up perfectly over here. Sometimes when you're doing a PPF installation, if things are lining up perfectly, get those areas down first. Don't try and do too much, especially if things are lining up really, really nicely. So now what I'm going to do is just stretch the film, and this is a little bit tedious to do, as I'm stretching outwards, and then I'm trying to pull the foam downwards into place. Not a whole lot, but a little bit. Need a bit more tack solution there. There we go. And that's what I want. Okay, so we got that down. Now, all I'm doing is just squeegeeing out everything right on the top. Actually, this corner is lifting up a little bit, so I'm just gonna hit more tack solution in there. And there we go. That right there is how you install a two-piece headlight on a Toyota Tacoma. Never done one before, so I'm showing you guys firsthand experience how to get it done from someone who's never done one before. So if you guys enjoyed that video, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more paint protection film content.